Welcome to part 3 of how I made this MCU Spider-Man moving lens face shell. In the last video, I showed you guys how I made the fabric mask. So in this video, I'll be adding in the electronics and permanently attaching the mask. The first step was to upload some simple code onto this Arduino Nano. I made sure this code is super user-friendly and easy to use. It's just one click to close the eyes and double click to open them. If you want to download the code yourself, the link to all my project files is in my bio. Using a limiter switch as the control, I connected the wires to the proper pins. Now all I need is a battery. So I stripped this 5-volt USB battery pack to its bare components so it can fit inside the face shell. And after fitting all the electronics inside the face shell and doing some cable management, it's time to test it out. And it works great, except there's one small issue. After about 30 seconds, the battery turns off. This is because the servos don't draw enough power, and the battery, thinking it's not in use, will turn itself off to conserve power. To fix this, I use Crashworks Penelope board. This board works by sending a pulse to the battery every few seconds to make sure it stays on. And with that issue out of the way, the face shell is working perfectly, and it's time to glue on the mask. I start by taking off the outer lenses and aligning the eye holes, making sure the web pattern is perfectly center. Then, I slowly and carefully cut off material until it's the exact shape of the lenses. I had to be very careful not to cut off too much material because if I did, I'd have to remake the entire mask. Lastly, I glued down the mask and reattached the outer lenses. And with that, this build is finally complete. This was definitely one of my most favorite projects I've done. It was certainly a challenge, but I had a lot of fun. If you found this video series helpful and want to see more videos like this one, be sure to follow and comment what you want to see me build next.